The LCM of 19 plus x and 51 plus x is 420. Find x. Now this question needs to be done by options. Let's check the first option. So if we substitute x as 11, the first number becomes 19 plus 11, that is 30. And the second number becomes 62. Now the LCM of 30 and 62, we have to check if it is 420. Now 420, what are the factors? 420, the factors are 2 into 3 into 7. So that becomes 42 into 10. So therefore it becomes 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1. So any other factor apart from this, we can conclude that that cannot be one of the numbers. Now 62 has 2 into 31. So 31 is another prime number which is not there over here. So therefore option A is rejected. Let's check option B. So 19 plus 21, that becomes 40, and 51 plus 21, that becomes 72. Okay. Now 40 and 72. Now 420 is divisible by 70. So it cannot be divisible by 72. So therefore this option is also eliminated. Let's take option C. 19 plus 19, that is 38, and 51 plus 19, that becomes 70. Now 38, that means the prime factor is 19, which is not there in this list. So therefore option C is also eliminated. Let's take option D. So 19 plus 9, that becomes 28, and 51 plus 9, that is 60. Now you can check here 28 and 60. 28, we can write it down as 2 raised to 2 into 7, and 60 we can write it down as 2 raised to 2 into 3 into 5. So the LCM, we can see 2 raised to 2 is common, so we will eliminate from one thing, and we will get here 2 raised to 2 into 7 into 3 into 5, exactly the same thing. So answer D will be our correct answer.